ॐ शुक्लाम्भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீர்யம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதீஹதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே ஜகதः பிதரௌ வந்தே பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வரௌ. ஸ்ரீ பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வராभ्यां நமः. कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने. കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഇരക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. Others are going to join maybe a few minutes late. So Vijay, can you and Srividya do 39?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Any of you can get started. Doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll go first. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Bhavantamayamutvahan yadukulotvaho nissaran dadarsh gaganochhalachalabharam kalindatmajam aho salila sanchayas punareindrajalodito jalauga iva takshanat prapadame yata mayayo. Did I get the tune right?
Yeah, tune is correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So third line la the sanchayas அப்புறம் ஒரு ச இருக்கு ச புனரைந்திர
Sanchayas. Okay.
sanchayas
Aho
புனரைந்திர. Yeah.
Okay. Aho salila sanchayas punaraindra jalotito jalauga iva takshanat prapadame yatamayayo prasupta pashupalikam nibhrita marudat palikam apavrita kavatikam pashupavatikamavishan bhavantamayam prasavatalpake tatpadhatvahan कपटकन्यकां स्वपुरमागतो वेगतः ततस्त्वदनुजारवक्षपित निद्रवेगद्रवद् भटोत्कर निवेदित प्रसव वार्तयैवार्तिमान् विमुक्तचिकुरोत्कर स्वरितमापतन् भोजराट् अतुष्ट इव दुष्टवान् भगिनिकाकरे कन्यकाम् ध्रुवं कपटशालिनो मधुहरस्य माया भवेत् असाविति किशोरिकां भगिनिकां करालिङ्गिताम् द्विपो नलिनिकान्तरादिव मृणालिकामा क्षिपन् अयं त्वदनुजामजामपुलपट्टुके पिष्टवान्
उपलपट्टके.
अयं त्वदनुजामजमुपलपट्टुके शिष्टवान्.
You're saying pattuke, you're saying it's upalapattake pishtavan.
अयं त्वदनुजामजमुपलपट्टके पिष्टवान्.
I think and the reason you kind of went off a little bit is tvadanujama jam. So if you say it as ayam tvadanujama jam upalapattake pishtavan.
Jam ajam.
Correct.
अयं त्वदनुजाम अजामपुलपट्टके पिष्टवान्. Is that right?
Yeah.
ततो भवदुपासको झटिति मृत्युपाशादिव प्रमुच्यतरसैव सा समधिरूढरूपान्तरा अधस्तलमजग्मुषि विकसदष्टबाहुस्फुरन् महायुधमहो गता किल विहायसादिद्युते नृशंस्तरकंस ते किमु मया विनिष्पिष्टया बभूव भवधन्थः क्वचन चिन्त्यतां ते हितम् इति त्वदनुजा विभोकलमुद्धीर्य तं जग्मुषि मरुद्गणपणायिता भुवि च मन्दिराण्येयुषि प्रगे पुनरगात्मजा वचनमीरिता भूभुजा प्रलम्भकपूतना प्रमुखधानवानिनः भवन्निधन् काम्यया जगति भभ्रमुर्निर्भयाः कुमारकविमारकाः किमिव दुष्करं निष्कृपैः.
The third line, Bhavan Nidana Kamyaya.
Bhavan Nidhana Kamyaya Jagati Bhabrahmurnirbhayaha Kumaraka Vimarakaha Kimiva Dushkaram Nishkrupaihi. ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्दनन्दप्रिय ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्दनन्दप्रिया प्रिया प्रसूतिशयनेशये रुदित किञ्चित् तञ्च पदे रुदति ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्दनन्दप्रिया प्रसूतिशयनेशये रुदति किञ्चिदञ्चत्पदे विबुध्य वनिता जनैः स्तनयसम्भवे घोषिते मुदा किमु वदाम्यहो सकलमाकुलं गोकुलम् अहो खलु यशोदया नवकलाय चेतोहरं भवन्तमलमन्तिके प्रथममापि भन्त्यादृशा पुनस्तनभरं निजं सपदि पाययन्तया मुधा मनोहरतनुस्पृशा जगति पुण्यवन्तोजिताः
third line la paya yentya, it's a half ta only, yentya,
Okay.
not yentaya.
Yantya.
You don't have to repeat it, it's okay, as long as you correct it.
Okay, thank you. Bhavat kushal kamyaya sakalu nanda gopastata pramodha bhara sankulo dvijakulaya kinna dadhat तथैव पशुपालकः किमुन मङ्गलं ते निरे जगत्त्रिथयमङ्गलत्वमिह पाहि मामामयात् कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः।
ओम कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 39। भवन्तमयमुद्वहन् यदुकुलोद्वहो निस्सरन् तदर्श गगनोच्चलजलभरां कलिदात्मजाम् अहो सलिलसञ्चयस्य पुनरैन्द्रजालोदितो जलौघ इव तत्क्षणात् प्रपदमे यथा माययौ प्रसुप्तपशुपालिकां निवृतमारुत्तदबालिकाम् अपावृतकवाटिकां पशुपवाटिकाम् आविशन् भवन्तमयमर्पयन् प्रसवतल्पके तत्पदात् वहन् कपटकन्यकां स्वपुरमागतो वेगतः.
The third and fourth lines are together, okay? So in the Prasavatalpake tat padat vahan apdi.
Okay. भवन्तमयमर्पयन् प्रसवतल्पके तत्पदात् वहन् कपटकन्यकां स्वपुरमागतो वेगतः ततस्त्वदनुजारवक्षपितदितवेगद्रवद्भटोत्करनिवेदितप्रसववार्तयैवातिमान् विमुक्तचिकिरोत्करस्त्वरितमापतन् भोजराट् अतुष्ट इव दृष्टवान् भगिनिकाकरे कन्यकां ध्रुवं कपटशालिनो मधुहरस्य माया भवेत् असाविति किशोरिकां भगिनिकाकरालिङ्गितां द्विपो नलिनिकान्तरादिव मृणालिकामाक्षिपन् अयं त्वदनुजामजाम् उपलपट्टके पिष्टवान् ततो भवदुपासको झटिति मृत्युपाशादिव प्रमुच्यतरसैव सा समधिरूढरूपान्तरा अधस्थलम् अजग्मुषी विकसदष्टबाहुस्फुरन् महायुधमहो गता किल विहाय सादित्युते.
Again, the third and fourth line are together there.
Okay. अधस्थलमजग्मुषी विकतदष्ट बाहुस्फुरन् महायुधमहो गता किल विहाय साद्युते नृशंसतरकंसते किमु मया विनिष्पिष्ठया बभूव भवदन्तकः क्वचन चिन्त्यतां ते हितम् इति त्वदनुजा विभो खलमुदीर्यतं जग्मुषी मरुदगणपणायिता भुवि च मंदिरान ये युषी.
So Vijay, you don't have to repeat it, but just make sure the nishamsa tara kamsa kapra or comma irukku, okay? And then third and fourth lines were not together.
Oh, idhula na podla. Okay. Third and fourth lines comma irukku appo.
Comma irukku, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
You can go continue, yeah.
रगे पुनरगात्मजा वचनमीरिता भूभुजा प्रलम्भकपूतना प्रमुखदानवामानिनः भवन्निधनकाम्यया जगति भभ्रमुर्निर्भयाः कुमारकविमारकाः किमिव दुष्करं निष्कृपैः ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्दनन्दप्रिया प्रसूतिशयने शयेरुदिति रुदति किंचित अंचत पदे विभूत्य वनिता जनैः तनय संभवे घोषिते मुदा किमु वदाम्यहो सकलमाकुलं गोकुलम्.
Ingi the third and fourth are not combined, okay? So this is a comma after Goshite.
Goshite one, okay. All right. अहो खलु यशोदया नवकला यचेतो हरम भवतमलमन्तिके प्रथम भवन्तमलमन्तिके प्रथम आबिबन्त्यादृशा पुनस्तनभरं निजं सपदि पाययन्त्या मुदा मनोहरतनुस्पृशा जगति पुण्यवन्तोजिताः भवत्कुशलकाम्यया स खलु नन्दगोपस्तदा प्रमोदभरसङ्कुलो द्विजकुलाय किन्नाददात् तथैव पशुपालकाः किमु न मङ्गलं ते निरे जगत्त्रितयमङ्गलत्वमिह पाहि मामामयात्. कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
ராஜேஷ், ஒரு டவுட். இந்த 7th ஸ்டான்ஸால வந்து 7th ஸ்லோகால மூணாவது தேர்ட் லைன்ல பவன் பவன் நிதன காம்யயா ஜெகதி பப்ரமுர் நிபயாகான்னு போட்டிருக்கு. நிர்பயாகான்னு சொல்றேன்.
ஆமாமா, நிர்பயாகா.
ஓ, ஓகே.
Because
எனக்கு நிபயாஹா தான் போட்டிருக்கு.
Yeah, it is definitely nirbhayaha because I'll tell you one second. Bhayam is fear, right? So nirbhaya, no fear is nirbhayaha. அது எப்பவுமே அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த நீ வந்ததுன்னா there is always a ir that follows it all the time. So it's nirbhayaha.
Okay, thank you.
ராஜேஷ், அதே மாதிரி இந்த 9th வந்து பவந்தமலமந்திகே செகண்ட் லைன்ல பவந்தம் மலமந்திகே வருமா இல்ல பவந்தமலமந்திகேன்னு சேர்ந்து சொன்னா சரியா இருக்கும்.
So and that has 3 words in it. பவந்தம் அலம் அந்திகே அப்படின்னு 3 வேர்ட் இருக்கு அதுல. So you can break them and say also, or you can say the whole thing together as bhavantamalamantikhe together also is fine. But if you're breaking it, you break it at bhavantam alam antike. Those are the 3 words in there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's get started. So Jayashree and Sriram, if you are there, you can be students. Whoever wants to do it. And then Sabita, you can be student today. Okay, so in the next set of chapters are really, really small chapters. They're like talking about the activities of Krishna, right? So even in the past group also, we were generally able to complete like a chapter and a half normally at that speed, but we'll go at whatever speed it is, right? So 40 is the Putana Moksham. So we saw in that seventh stanza of the previous chapter, right, where he said Pralambhabakaputana Pramukadana. So there where Kamputana and Pralambha and Bhaka are all going and telling Kamsa that you should not let this go easily and you should go and find all those newborn babies, right? And you should go around killing all those newborn babies. That's what they agree and they decide to do. So that's what is happening there. So now we'll go on to from 40. Tadanunandamamanda shubhaspadham nripapurim karadhana krite gatam samavaloक्य जघाध भवत्पिता विदितकं सहाय जनोद्यमः. So now Vasudeva and Devaki are all freed from the jail. You saw that after the 8th child was born, right? Kamsa freed them up. So when on the Sametha, then when they are there, Nanda, who is now residing in Gokulam, he now has to go to pay his taxes to Kamsa because he's part of Kamsa's kingdom, right? So he then goes there to Nanda goes there to pay Nipapurim to the king's city to pay his taxes. And when he goes there, he then goes and meets Vasudeva, right? So because they are Vasudeva and Nanda are relatives as well, right? So and the Rohini, who's Vasudeva's wife, is also staying there in Gokulam as well. So he goes there to meet with Vasudeva to inquire about it. And Anda Sametla, Vasudeva then tells Nanda about all the activities that Kamsa has done, including all the children that he's actually killed. He doesn't tell him about Krishna getting transferred and all that stuff, but he tells him about all the bad activities of Kamsa, and he just updates him. So Tadanu Nandam Amanda. Those are the two words there. Or you can say it together as well. But Nandam Amanda Shubhaspadam, comma, Nripa Purim Kara Dana. Karadana means to kind of pay it. Karam is hand and Dana is to give. So he's kind of paying the taxes. Karadana Krite Gatam. Samavalokya Jagada Bhavat Pita, comma, Vidita Kamsa Sahaya Janodhyamaha. Tadanu Nandama Manda Shubhaspadham Nripapurim Karadana Krite Gatam Samavalokya Jagada Bhavat Pita Vidita Kamsa Sahaya Janodhyamaha. Sabita, you want to go first?
Tadanunanda mamanda shubhaspadam Nripapurim karadana krite gatam Samavalokya jagada bhavat pita Vidita kamsa sahaya janodhyamaha. Tadanunanda mamanda shubhaspadam Nripapurim karadana krite gatam Samavalokya jagada bhavat pita Vidita kamsa sahaya janodhyamaha.
Tadanunanda mamanda shubhaspadam Nirbhava Purim Karadana Krite Kadam Samavalokya Jagada Bhavat Pida Vidita Kamsa Sahaya Janotyamaha.
In the first line, Nripa Purim.
Nripa Purim, okay.
Yeah.
Tadanunanda mamanda shubhaspadam Nripapurim karadana krite kadam Samavalokya jagada bhavat pida Vidida kamsa sahaya janotyamaha.
Stanza 2. Aisake tava bhalaka janmamham sukhayatetya nijatmaja janmavate iti bhavat pitritam brajanhayake samadiropya shashamsatamadharat. So on the Samhita, and Narayani Bhattacharya is just kind of condensed and just called out the main line. But in the Bhagavatam, Nanda and Yashoda, Vasudeva are having a long chat, right? They're actually talking about how things are and how's the welfare of the various kingdoms and all the atrocities that Kamsa is performing and all that stuff. And on the Samhita, Nanda is telling Vasudeva, hey, I'm very sorry to hear about all your 8 children getting killed. And they've all heard about those stories. And then Vasudeva is then telling Nanda about the happy things, right? He says, congratulations to you for being a father, right? Father's Day, so he says, congratulations on being a father. And he says, that indirectly, right? So he's saying, you having a son like this is giving me pleasure as if I myself has had a son. That is kind of our relationship. So I'm having a feeling. Vasudeva is telling to Nanda. So he's indirectly attributing, that his son is there, but he kind of praises Nanda and tells him, to take care of the son and all that. So, I sakhe tava balaka janma mam, and then put a plus, sukayate dhya, and the dhya at the end, sukayate dhya nijatmaja janmavat. So Nija Atma is like my own. So your son being born to you is giving me happiness as much as it's a son born to me. So Nijatmaja Janmavat iti bhavat pitrutam brajanayake, comma, samadhi ropya shashamsa tam adarat. Or tam adarat. अयि सखे तव बालक जन्म मां सुखयतेऽद्य निजात्मज जन्मवत् इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समधिरोप्य शशंस तमाधरात्.
अयि सखे तव बालक जन्म मां सुखयतेऽद्य निजात्मज जन्मवत् इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समधिरोप्य शशंस तमादरात्. अयि सखे तव बालक जन्म मां सुखयतेऽद्य निजात्मज जन्मवत् इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समधिरोप्य शशंस तमादरात्.
अयि सखे तव पालक जन्म मां सुखयदेत्य निजात्मज जन्मवत् इति भवत् पितृतां प्रजनायके समधिरोप्य शशंस तमादरात्. अयि सखे तव पालक जन्म मां सुखयदैत्य निजात्मज जन्मवत् इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समधिरोप्य शशंस तमादरात्.
Stanza 3. Ihe cha santyanimettashataani te katakasimnitato lagughamyatam iti cha tadvachasa vrajanayako bhavadapaya bhiyadhrutamayayo. So Vasudeva is then telling Nanda that because Vasudeva is now freed and he has, he's able to know what's happening. So he tells that the Kamsa is actively looking for this 8th child, and he knows that my daughter was not the 8th child. So he has engaged all his group of people to go looking out for those people. And he says you should expect that they should be coming to your town also, right? And because you also had a newborn, there's a good chance they will come looking for in your town also. And I'm hearing a lot of bad news happening here, and there are a lot of bad omens which I'm actually seeing that is happening. So then Vasudeva is essentially telling Nandagopa that Drutham Ayayo, you quickly return back, right? Because I have a feeling that on the Korandiki something bad is going to happen. I'm having a gut feeling, so I strongly recommend that you return back and don't stay here in Mathura for long. Vasudeva is sending Nandagopa back. So Iha Cha Santya Nimitta Shatani te, Kataka Simni tato laghu gamyatam iti cha tadvachasa brajanayako, bhavadapaya biya drutam ayayo. Ihe cha santyanimitta shatani te katakasimni tato laghu gamyatam iti cha tadvachasa vrajanayako bhavadapaya biha drutamayayo.
Ihe cha santyanimitta shatani te katakasimni tato laghu gamyatam iti cha tadvachasa vrajanayako bhavadapaya bhiyadhrutamayayo. Iha cha santyanimitta shatani te katakasimni tato laghu gamyatam इति च तद्वसा व्रजनायको
Vachasa. Iti cha tadvachasa.
okay इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायको भवतपायभिया धृतमाययौ
इह सन्त्यनिमित्तशदानि ते कडकसीम्नितदोलघुगम्यताम् इति च तत्वशा व्रजनायको भवदपाय पिया धृतमाययौ.
On the third line there, iti cha tadvachasa.
इति च इह सन्त्यनिमित्तशदानि ते कडकसीम्नितदोलघुगम्यताम् इति च तत् वशसा वचसा
Yeah.
इति च तत् वचसा व्रजनायको भवदपाय पिया धृतमाययौ.
Stanza 4. Avasare khalu tatra cha kachana brajapade madurakriti-rangana tarala shatpada lalita kuntala kapata potakate nikatam gata. So Tatra Avasare means at that exact same time where Vasudeva is telling Nandagopa that you should actually go back because something bad is going to happen. So at the time in Gokulam, there was some Kachana, means some, some female was there in Brajapade. Brajas are referring to the Gopikas. That's why Brajanayako means the king of Gopikas, which is Nandagopa. And Braja Pade means the land where the Vrajas live, which is Gokula. And there was a Madhura Kriti Angana. There was a very beautiful looking woman who was walking in the streets of Gokulam at that time. And, being a poet, Bhattacharya is describing, that Lalita Kuntala, she had a very long hair, long flowing hair, and the hair was smelling very fragrant. The bees were hovering around the hair. And she was a pretty good looking person who was there. And then her name was Putana apdinu her pair. So the meaning for Puta means virtue. Na means no. So Putana means a person who has no virtue because she goes and kills babies, right? So she has no virtues. So that's her name, Putana. So she was then going out there looking, and she happens to enter into Nandagopa's house because she sees that there's a newborn baby. So they must probably have a list because in the Bombay whenever a newborn baby used to be born, right? Baby is born. So on the we used to call them with a different name, but anyway, the eunuchs who used to be there, they used to come to the house and correcta who has had a newborn baby in it. They'll sing the song and you have to give them some money and all that stuff, right? So anyway, so Putana comes here and then she goes Kapata Potaka means what here is telling is referring to here is Potaka is referring to like a boy. So she says Kapata Potaka is she doesn't know that you are just in the form of a boy. You are not a small child. You Krishna are in the form of a small child, and she doesn't know that. And te nikatam gata. So she then goes near you to go and hold you. So avasare khalu tatra cha kachana, comma, vrajapade madhurakritir. So that is advarikku one word. Madhurakritir angana is a breaking, but you can say the whole thing together. Madhurakriti rangana. Tarala shat pada lalita kuntala, comma, kapata potaka te nikatam gata. Avasare khalu tatra cha kachana brajapade madhurakritirangana tarala shatpada lalita kuntala kapata potakate nikatam gata.
Avasare khalu tatra cha kachana Prajapade Madhurakritirangana Tarala Shatpadalalita Kuntala Kapata Potakate Nikatam Kata. अवसरे खलु तत्र च काचन व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना तरलषट्पदलालितकुन्तला कपटपोतकते निकटं गता
अवसरे खलु तत्र चकाशन व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना तरलषट्पदलालितकुन्दला कपटपोदगते निकटं कदा अवसरे खलु तत्र चकाशन व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना तरलषट्पदलालितकुन्दला कपटपोदगते निकटं कदा.
Stanza 5. Sapadi sahrita bhalakachetana nishicharanvayajā kila pūtanā brajavadushvihakeyamiti kshanam vimrushathishu bhavantamupadade. So this Putana, right, who is of course born in the family of demons. So this Putana, who now has taken multiple Krita Balaka Chetana, she's killed innumerable number of children, right? She's taken a lot of children's lives. So what she does is Bhavantam, you Upadate, she then lifts you, O Krishna, and then she puts you on her lap. So Bhagavatatil, they say, hey, this is comparing to say some ignorant man is trying to take a rope or is trying to take a snake and thinks of the snake as a rope, a poisonous snake, and puts it on his lap. Andamari in the Putana is so ignorant that she's coming to you and then she's taking you, O Krishna, and then she holds you, lifts you, and then puts you in her lap. And when this is happening, the Braja, all the Braja ladies, all the Gopikas who are all assembled there, right? So they all for a second they're just kind of surprised, right? Because this lady all of a sudden is just walking in and then she comes and starts petting and they start wondering who this is. Koyamiti, who is this lady who has actually come here? Appadine kshanam, for a moment they are actually thinking, they're wondering what is happening, but she's coming quickly and she then lifts Krishna and puts Krishna on her lap. So sapadi sa hrita balaka chetana, comma, Nishicharanvaya. So it's Nishichara Anvaya, two different words, but you say it together. Nishicharanvaya ja kila putana. Braja vadushviha, half-ish there, vadushviha. Keyam iti kshanam. So 1 second. Do you have Keyam or Koyam in your books?
KM
Okay. Keyam iti kshanam, comma, Bimrushatishu bhavantam upadade. Sapadi sahrita bhalaka chetana nishicharan vayaja kila putana brajavadushviha keyam iti kshanam Bimrushatishu bhavantam upadade.
Sapadi sahrita balaka chetana nishicharan vayaja kila putana brajavadushviha keyamiti kshanam vimrushatishu bhavantamupadade. Sapadi sahrita balaka chetana nishicharan vayaja kila putana Brajavadushviha keyamiti kshanam vimrushati shubhavantamupadade.
Sabadisha hridapalaka chetana nishisharan vyaja.
Nishicharan Vayaja.
Sabadisa hridapalaka chetana nishisharan Vayaja. Nishisharan Vayaja kila putana Vrajavadush vihakeyamiti kshanam vimrushadishu bhavantamupadate. Sabadisa hridapalaka chetana nishisharan Vayaja. निशिशरान् भयजा किल पूतना व्रजवधुष् विहकेयमिति क्षणं विमृशदीषु भवन्तमुपातते.
Stanza 6. ललितभावविलासहृदात्मभिर्युवतिभिः प्रतिरोद्धुमपारितान् स्तनमसौ भवनान्तनिषेदुषीं प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने. So this Putana, it is not said in Bhagavatam, but in Garga Samhita, Garga Muni is going to come in the next chapter, and he is one of the priests of the Yadava clan. So this Garga Muni, in his Garga Samhita, he has said, this Putana in his previous life used to be known as Ratnamala, and she was the daughter of King Mahabali. So when Krishna came as Vamana Avataram, right, dressed as not dressed, but came as a small boy, he was again, we remember that chapter, he was extremely handsome and chinnada alagar. She really wanted it from a motherly perspective. She really loved Krishna as Vamana, and she really wanted an opportunity to, have a child like that. But later on, when Vamana ended up killing Mahabali, she also developed a hatred towards Vamana because he killed her father, right? So, but she was so attached towards Vamana as a mother, and the Mari feeling like. So that's why in the next Janmatla, she's getting an opportunity to be like a mother, but she also tries to kill Krishna, right? It's both of that combined. So anyway, so Inge what happens is, because she comes in Lalita Bhava, because she's coming with a very charming appearance, and Vilasa romba abde graceful. She comes very gracefully, she was very beautiful, and she walks in. Because of all this, the young Gopikas, right, Yuvati Vihi, all the young Gopikas who are attending, they just are so captivated by that. And that's the reason they didn't know what to do, and they also did not stop a stranger who just came. Because of her natural, she just came in, and then she just took the baby. So they just let her do it. So this Putana then, sitting inside the house, then decides to sthanam bhavate, decides to breastfeed Krishna, who is kapatatmane, who is this elusive child. She decides to give him milk. So Lalita Bhava Vilasa Hritatmabhir, Hritatmabhir Yuvati Bihin irukku. And you can put a if to join it. So that whole line is together. Lines 1 and 2, or however you have it. Yuvati Bif Pratirodhum Aparita. Pratirodhuma Stanamasau Bhavananta Nishedushi, Pradadushi Bhavate Kapatatmane. Lalita Bhava Vilasa Hritatmabhir Yuvati Bif Pratirodhuma Stanamasau Bhavananta Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavate Kapatatmane.
Lalita Bhava Vilasa Hritatmabhiryuvatibhih Pratirodhuma Tanamasau Bhavananta Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavate Kapatatmane. Lalita Bhava Vilasa Hritatmabhiryuvatibhih Pratirodhuma Tanamasau Bhavananta Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavate Kapatatmane.
Lalita Bhava Vilasa Hridatmabhir Lalita Bhava Vilasa Hridatmabhir Yuvadibhih Pradirotuma Bharita Stanamasau Bhavananta Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavade Kapadatmane. Lalita Bhava Vilasa Hridatmabhir Yuvadibhih Pradirotuma Bharita Stanamasau Bhavananta Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavade Kapadatmane.
Stanza 7. समधिरुह्य तदङ्गमशङ्कितस्त्वमत भालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषितधुर्विषधूषितम्. So Krishna then, he knows that what Putana has done in the past, and Tvama Roshitaha, and you are extremely angry, Krishna, because of Bhalak, all the various children that Putana has killed. So when Putana then decides to lift Krishna, he doesn't resist. Again, he's also a small baby. I don't know how many months or Krishna was when this incident happened, but he was anyway a small baby, but he didn't resist when Putana tried to lift. And so Ashankitaha, without any doubt, without any hesitation, he got on to her lap when Putana lifted her, and then she starts breastfeeding Krishna at this time, and then she has poison smeared all over, so that when the child drinks it, then the child will eventually end up dying. That's how she goes and kills people, and Krishna unhesitatingly starts beginning to drink milk. We'll see what happens, whether he drinks or not, but he's in the position, right, and he starts to drink. Samadhi ruhya tadankam ashankita. But you can say that, you can break it, or you can say it together. Tadankam ashankitas tvam atha balaka lopana roshitaha. So that entire two lines or that one line is together. No pause there. Tadankam ashankitas tvamata balaka lopana roshitaha. Mahadi Vamra Phalam Kucha Mandalam, comma, Prati Chuchushita. So the first chu is a short chu, next is a long chu. Chuchushita Durvisha Dhushitam. Again, the du also is a short du and then long du. समदिरुह्यतदङ्कमशङ्कितस्त्वमत भालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषितधुर्विषधूषितम्.
समदिरुह्य तदङ्गमशङ्कितस्त्वमत बालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषितदुर्विषदूषितम्. समधिरुह्य तदङ्गमशङ्कितस्त्वमत बालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषितदूषितं
समधिरुह्य तदङ्गम शङ्कितस्त्वमद बालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुशमण्डलं प्रतिचुषितदुर्विषदूषितं. समधिरुह्य तदङ्गमशङ्कितस्त्वमदपालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुशमण्डलं प्रतिचुषितदुर्विषदूषितम्.
அது குச்சமண்டலம் தானே ராஜேஷ்?
குச்சமண்டலம். Stanza 8. Asubhirev samam dhayate tvahi stanamasaw stanitopamaneswana nirapadat bhayadayi nijam vapuhu pratigata pravisarya bhujavubhau. So here, Tvaisthanam dayati. So when Krishna starts drinking, at that time he doesn't actually consume the milk, but essentially he sucks out the life of Putana out, right? And then with that, Putana essentially is dead. So he sucks out the life of Putana, the prana completely comes out. And with that, Putana essentially, when she's liberated, then she resorts to her original form, reverts to Bhayadayi Nijam Vapu, her original form, which is a very ferocious form. So she reverts back to that original form, and then she falls down on the ground with, it says very specifically, Bhujau ubhau. Bhujau ubhau means stretching her arms. So she's completely, she faints, she's dead, and then she falls on the ground in her Gora form, and then she also has her hands and legs stretched out. So asubhireva samam dhayati tvayi, short e, comma, stanam asau stanitopama niswana nirapadat bhayadayi nijam vapuhu, comma, pratigata pravisarya bhujavubhau. असुभिरेव समं धयते त्वहीं स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्वना निरपतद्भयदायि निजं वपुः प्रतिगता प्रविसार्य भुजावुभौ.
Asubhirev samam dhyati tvayi.
दयति त्वयि.
Okay. Asubhirev samam dayati tvayi. Stanamasau stanitopamanisvana. Nirapatat bhayadayi nijam vapuhu. Pratigata pravisarya bhujavubhau. Asubhirev samam dhayati tvayi. Stanamasau stanitopamanisvana. Nirapadat bhayadayi nijam vapuhu. Pratigata pravisarya bhujavubhau.
Asubireva samam dayadi tvayi stanamasau stanitopamanisvana nirapadat bhayadayi nijam vabuhu pradikada pravisarya bhujavubhau. Asubireva samam dayadi tvayi stanamasau stanitopamanisvana stanitopama nisvana nirapadat bhayadayi nijam vabuhu pradikada pravisarya bhujavubhau.
Stanza 9. Bhayada ghoshana bhishana vigraha shravana darshana mohita vallave brajapade tadurasthala khelanam nanubhavantamagrinnata gopikaha. So when Putana assumes her big form and then she falls, so because she's also she was pretty big in size, and they talk about more of that in the next Dasakam, saying how she was so massive in size that when she eventually got her form, that they could not just cremate her like a regular human being, and they had to actually break the body and then cremate it because she was so big. So anyway, so in this case, Shravana, so when she falls on the ground, Bhaya the Ghoshana, so they hear a very terrifying sound when she falls. Shravana, they then hear a terrifying sound. At the same time, Darshana, they also see a Bhishana Vigraha, very terrifying form as well. So they hear a loud thunderous noise. At the same time, they also see a very terrifying form. And this is completely stunning the Gopika Stris, because they thought this was a very beautiful woman who actually came in, but now they are really surprised how she transformed herself into an asura or a rakshasi like this, and who was lying there. And the whole of Brajapade, the whole of Gokulam is stunned with this, and the Gopikas immediately rush and to see where Krishna is. And then they see Krishna playing Kelanam, playing in a sense, not literally playing, but because he must have been a really small child, but he was generally there on Udarasthala, on her chest. So they just saw Krishna was just lying on Putana's chest, and Putana was lying dead on the floor there. So Bhayada Ghoshana Bhishana Vigraha Shravana Darshana Mohita Vallave. So that entire two lines are together. You can put a plus there. Vrajapade Taduraha is there, so you can put a is. Taduras Sthala. So there are two is coming there. One is to join the two words, and then there's another word also which starts with the is. So Taduras Sthala Kelanam, comma,
Rajesh, அது ஸ்தனவா ஸ்தலவா?
See, sthana refers to breast. So you can say sthana kelanam, or sthala refers to place.
Please.
So I would guess either of that is okay. Bookla வந்து sthalan இருக்கு. So either of it would be an appropriate word to use there. So taduras sthala kelanam, comma, nanu bhavantam agrinnata. So you can say that bhavantam agrinnata separate, or bhavantam agrinnata gopikaha. भयद घोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लवे ब्रजपदे तदुरस्थल खेलनम ननु भवन्तमघृण्णत गोपिकाः.
भयद घोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लवे व्रजपदे तदुरस्थल केलनम भवन्तमगृह्णत गोपिकाः. भयद घोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लवे व्रजपदे तदुरस्थल केलनम nanubhavanta mrigagrinnata gopikaha.
The last line, nanubhavanta magrinnata gopikaha. I think you missed one syllable somewhere.
Yeah, nanubhavanta magrinnata gopikaha.
Yeah.
Ayata koshana bhishana vigraha shravana darshana mohita vallave vrajapade tadurastana kelanam.
அது ஸ்தலன் மாத்திடுங்க அத.
ஸ்தலவா?
ஸ்தலன்.
व्रजपदे तदुरस्थल केलनं ननुभवन्दमहृन्नद गोपिकाः भयदकोशन भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लवे व्रजपदे तदुरस्थल केलनं ननुभवन्दमहृन्नद गोपिकाः.
भुवनमङ्गल नामभिरेवते युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमयिवातनिकेतननाथमाम् अगदयन् कुरुतावक सेवकम्. So this Gopikas, and in this group, in this batch, right, when we learn this next 30 chapters, right, the entire Krishna Avataram all the way up to 88, you'll see it's about really praises of Gopikas, right, as to how attached and how devoted they are. And there is even a stanza where Bhattaripat says that Gopika bhyo namostu, he says nothing else is important. You don't have to pray, you don't have to read the Vedas, you just have to completely worship the Gopikas, because that's how they were devoted to Krishna. So here what happens is, here he's saying Bhuvana Mangala, you Krishna confer auspiciousness on the entire world, Bhuvana. But these Gopikas were so worried when this happened to you that they then lifted Krishna, and in Bhagavatam they actually talk through a set of about I think about like 10 or so slokas, about 10 stanzas of various prayers the Gopikas do, right, for protection for Krishna. So they say, let your arms, like any of the kavacham that we chant. So they have a set of 10 stanzas which they recite, where the Gopikas chant for each of the body part protection for Krishna. And they actually, and it was interesting because I didn't know about this either. They used cow urine and cow dung and applied to various parts of the baby's body when they chanted this, right? So maybe it's got some because we know cow dung has got antibacterial properties. And the chani they put, right, India houses because of the antibacterial properties. But anyway, so they completely then protect, or they chant various things to protect Krishna. And in several ways, Bahuda, in several ways, these Gopikas then do things to protect you. Similarly, O Lord of Guruvayur, you help, Gopikas Kela, you're helping everybody else. Similarly, Make me Kuru Tavaka Sevakam, just like how the Gopikas are completely devoted to you, make me also a devotee of you, and also Agadayan Mam, please eliminate all the diseases and everything I'm having. So here Bhattacharya, in addition to the elimination of diseases, asks for one thing extra, which is also make me a devotee, similar to how the Gopikas are devoted to you. So Bhuvana Mangala Namabhireva Te, comma, Yuvatibhir Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha Twamai Vata Niketana Natha Mam. So in the ma, if you have Mama Gadayan, you can break it, make it Nathana Mam, Im, and then put a comma. Next you start with the Agadayan Kuru Tavaka Sevakam. भुवनमङ्गलनामभिरेवते युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमैवातनिकेतननाथ माम् अगदयन् कुरु तावकसेवकम्.
भुवनमङ्गलनामभिरेवते युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमयित्वातनिकेतननाथ माम् अगदयन् कुरु तावकसेवकम्. भुवनमङ्गलनामभिरेवते युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमयिवातननिकेतननाथ माम् अगदयन् कुरु तावकसेवकम्.
On the last line, I think you're adding an extra na. Tvamaivat niketana.
Okay. त्वमयिवातनिकेतननाथ माम्
Yeah, correct.
अगदयन् कुरु तावकसेवकम्.
Yeah.
भुवनमङ्गलनामभिरेवते युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमैवातनिकेतननाथ माम् अगदयन् गुरुतावगसेवकम्. भुवनमङ्गलनामभिरेवते युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमैवातनिकेतननाथ माम् अगदयन् गुरुतावगसेवकम्. Shri Krishna.
So before we start the next, I was trying to check, but I could not. Anybody, and I should have come, Mr. Checked and come. Anybody can tell how many dasakams we have finished in the second bachelor? Anyone has it handy?
I'm looking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
With
Okay.
2 days, we have finished 8.
Today we finished 8, right? Okay, correct. I got it. Okay, let's start this message. So what I'm thinking is, we'll start with the next one, right? Which is 44, which is naming of Krishna, and that is a pretty small chapter too. So if we finish that, like maybe 3 or 4 today, and then next class or half an hour, 40 minutes, we'll be able to finish that off. Then maybe let's do a quick revision of these 9 chapters next week. Okay, so because it'll kind of be 1/3 kind of, right? So so that's kind of the plan. Okay, so now I'll send a list apparama, but inniki let's get started on 44, and then we'll do maybe 3 or 4, how much ever we have time. Okay, so this is the naming ceremony of Krishna, right? So Jata Karma and Nama Karma Varnanam. So first stanza. गूढं वसुदेवगिरां कर्तुं ते निष्क्रियस्य संस्कारान् हृद्गतहोरा तत्त्वो गर्गमुनिः त्वद्गृहं विभो गतवान्. So at the time there was this rishi called as Garga Muni. He belonged to the Yadava clan, so kind of the Vasudevas, right? Vasudeva's clan, not Nanda Gopa's clan. So Vasudeva and the Yadavas, like, he belonged, and he was extremely famous and very reputed for all the Jyotishas, right? So astronomy and time and all of that stuff. So however, Vasudeva was then very interested to actually send him over because he was a very reputed rishi, to send him over for the Namakaranam of Krishna. But the Nandagopa generally would not, people, they may not accept because he doesn't belong to Avaloda caste and all that stuff. But no, Vasudeva convinces Nandagopa ahead of time. So because of that, you can hear Bhattacharya also says, you are nishkriyasya, you are already above all the rituals and all the rites. But somehow to perform a naming ceremony and punya and all that stuff for you, you know, Vasudeva then in a very secret manner tells Garga Muni, who is an expert in astrology, to come to your house to do all this, to all the do the naming ceremony and all the other things, samskara, and all the other activities.
Rajesh, end the second number?
Oh, 44.
Oh, 44.
Yeah.
Oh, print out எடுக்கல 41 சொல்லிருந்தேன் print out எடுக்கணும்
41 சொல்லிருந்தேனா
ஆமா 41 சொல்லிருந்தேன் நான் தப்பா எடுத்துட்டேனா தெரியல I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry then. Let me see. Oh, 44 தான் சொன்னேன்.
அப்படி நான் தப்பா எடுத்துட்டேன் print out, sorry.
Okay. Do you want to take yeah, you can go ahead and get a printout. If printout illana, I'll just have somebody continue.
இல்ல no problem. நீங்க ஒண்ணும் problem இல்ல.
So Gudham Vasudeva Gira, comma Kartum te Nishkriyasya Samskaran Hrid Gata Hora Tattvo Garga Munihi. So anga is irundha, remove that is and put a visarga. Garga Munihi Tvad Griham Vibho Gatavan. He came over to your house. Gudham Vasudeva Gira Kartum te Nishkriyasya Samskaran Hrit Gata Hora Tattvo Garga Munihi Tvad Griham Vibho Gatavan.
गूढं वसुदेव गिरा कर्तुं ते निष्क्रियस्य संस्कारान् हृद्गतहोरा तत्वो गर्गमुनिः त्वद्गृहं विभो गतवान्. गूढं वसुदेव गिरा कर्तुं ते निष्क्रियस्य संस्कारान् हृद्गतहोरा तत्वो गर्गमुनिः त्वद्गृहं विभो गतवान्.
Is she will be able to tell now or?
Yeah.
Okay.
गूढं वसुदेव गिरा कर्तुं ते निष्क्रियस्य संस्कारान् हृद्गदहोरा तत्वो
Gargamunihi anga visar anga remove the is and put a visarga there. Yeah.
Gargamunihi tvatgriham vibho kadavan.
Correct. And the first line la Vasudeva Gira kapram there is a comma. Okay.
Okay. Gudam Vasudeva Gira kartum te nishkriyasya samskaran hritkadahora tatvo gargamunihi tvatgriham vibho kadavan.
Answer 2. Nandota nanditatma brindishtam manayannamum yaminam mandasmidadramuche tvatsamskaran vidhatumutsukhadhihi. So Nanda then, who was then told earlier by Vasudeva that Gargamuni is going to come to perform all this, he's eagerly awaiting him. Then Nanditatma, he is getting extremely delighted and happy, and then he welcomes Gargamuni, who is the greatest of all the sages. He's one of the very famous sages. So he welcomes him, and then they are all ready to perform the various activities. So that's all. It's a pretty simple chapter. The main event is the naming ceremony which will happen. So he just welcomes him and he praises him and all that stuff. So Nandhota Nanditatma, comma, Brindishtam Manayannamum, double na is there, Manayannamum Yaminam Manda Smitardramuche, Smitardram. It's Smita Ardram Uche. Moon word irukanga, but you can just try to say Smitardram Uche together, comma, Tvat Samskaran Vidhatum Utsukhadhihi. नन्दोत नन्दितात्मा वृन्दिष्टं मानयन्नमुं यमिनां मन्दस्मितार्द्रमूचे त्वत्संस्कारान् विधातुमुत्सुकदीः
नन्दोऽथ नन्दितात्मा बृन्दिष्टं मानयन् नमुं यमिनां मन्दस्मितार्द्रमूचे त्वत्संस्कारान् विधातुमुत्कैकदीः
उत्सुकदीः.
उत्सुकदीः.
The Nanditatma, after Nanditatma in the first line, there is a comma. Okay.
Comma there. Okay.
Yeah.
नन्दोत नन्दितात्मा बृन्दिष्टं मानयन्नमुं यमिनां मन्दस्मितार्द्रमूचे त्वत्संस्कारान् विधातुम् उत्सुकदीः
नन्दोदनन्दितात्मा बृन्दिष्टं मानयन्नमुं यमिनां मन्दस्मितार्द्रमूचे त्वत्संस्कारान् विधातुमुत्सुकदी.
Utsukadi. The su is the short su. Sukadihi.
Mutsukadihi.
Yeah.
Nandodanandidatma Brandishtam Manayannamum Yaminam Mandasmitatra Muche Tvatsamskaran Vidadu Mutsukadihi.
Utsukadi. Yeah. Stanza 3. यदुवंशाचार्यत्वात् सुनिभृतमिदम् आर्य कार्यमिति कथयन् गर्गो निर्गतपुलकः चक्रे तव साग्रजस्य नामानि. So then Garga is telling here that this one has to be done in a very secret manner. And the reason he says this is, he says, look, Kamsa, he's a very smart man, he's a diplomat, he's a king. At the same time, he's also a very sinful man. And he knows that this 8th son of Devaki has been born somewhere. And he also knows that you are friends with Vasudeva, and he knows that you go and meet with Vasudeva. So if he realizes that I, who is really the priest of the Yadava clan, is coming over to your house to perform some naming ceremony, and you are friends with Vasudeva, etc., it's very easy. He can put this one and one together, and then by doing that, it is going to become a catastrophe. That eventually he's going to come after Krishna, and none of us want that to happen. So Garga Muni says that we have to do this in a very secret manner. So do not invite all relatives. We're going to do it in secrecy. Garga Muni says, and even the Nanda Gopa also says, I completely agree. And then what they do is they decide to do it in secrecy in a cow shed instead of doing it in the main houses. And this is not there. Narayanam just says it's done in secrecy, but Bhagavatal, they say that instead of doing it in the main house, Nanda wanted to do it in a very grand manner and through a feast and everything. But instead of doing all that, what they do is they do it separately, and they do it in the cow shed actually. And so Garga Muni then, he's Nirgata Pulakaha. He's going to pull the Rikramari. He's having horripilation because he knows he's now going to be naming both Chakre Tava Sagrajasya Nama. He's going to name not only you, but also your elder brother. Balarama also is also going to be named at the same time now. So Yedu Vamsha Acharya. So think of it as two words, but it comes together. Yedu Vamshacharya Twat. Yedu Vamshacharyatvat, comma, Sunibhritam idam arya. 3 words there. Sunibhritam idam arya karyam iti katayan. Gargo nirgata pulakaha, comma, chakre tava sagrajasya namani. Shortni.
So Rajesh, and the Pulakash Chakrane and the Isha addition.
Sorry. And the Isha edutittu put a visarga there. Gargo nirgata pulakaha. So remove the ish and put a visarga and a comma. And then chakre tava sagrajasya namani. Yaduvamshacharyatvat sunibhritamidam arya karyamiti katayan गर्गो निर्गतपुलकः चक्रे तव साग्रजस्य नामानि
यदुवंशाचार्यत्वात् सुनिवृत्तमिदमार्ग्यकार्यमिति कथयन् गर्गो निर्गतपुलकः चक्रे तव साग्रजस्य नामानि. அது என்னமோ வரமாட்டேங்குது மீட்டர்ல.
That's okay. In the chapter, the tune is not perfect, unfortunately. No, but that's okay. So don't worry about it.
Okay. यदुवंशाचार्यत्वात् सुनिवृत्तमिदमार्ग्यकार्यमिति कथयन् गर्गो निर्गतपुलकः चक्रे तव साग्रजस्य नामानि.
And the namani mattum, it's a short ni at the end, right? So just be careful with that.
यदुवंसाचार्यत्वात् सुनिवृत्त, correct? सुनिवृत्तमिद. Okay. यदुवंसाचार्य sorry.
No, and the vamsham, remember vamsham, acharya. Yeah, the two, those are the two words there.
यदुवंसाचार्यत्वात् सुनिवृत्तमिदमार्ग्यकार्यमिति कथयन् गर्गो निर्गतपुलकः चक्रे तव साग्रजस्य नामानि. यदुवंसाचार्यत्वात् सुनिवृत्तमिदमार्ग्यकार्यमिति कथयन् गर्गो निर्गतपुलकः चक्रे तव साग्रजस्य नामानि.
We'll do two more because fifth stanza is where the naming actually happens. So let's finish that off. So stanza 4. Katamasya nama kurve sahasranamno hyanantanamno va iti nunam gargamunihi chakre tava nama nama rahasi vibho. So imagine this, right? So Gargamuni knows that this is an incarnation of the Lord. He doesn't quite tell that to Nanda, but Gargamuni knows. So he says, you are telling me to name this child who has got Ananta Namna. Ananta means is never ending. So he has countless number of names. And then he also has Sahasra Namna. He might have, there are 1,000 important names of this child as well. He's got so many, he's got thousands of names, right? And his number of names he has is endless. So to such a person, Katamasya Nama Kurve, what kind of name can I keep? It's so difficult for me to come up with a name for a child who's like this. So iti nunam Gargamunihi. So he's thinking like this. Gargamuni is thinking and contemplating this. And Rahasi Chakre. So he then, in secrecy, in secret, he then goes and, like we said earlier, they go to the cow shed. And then Nandagopal also says in the Veda chanting, just do it a little bit, don't make too much sound and all because people will know. So they do it in a very secret manner. They do it this in the cow shed. So Katamasya Nama Kurve, Sahasra Namno Hyananta. That Hyananta is actually, it's Ananta. He and Ananta combined, becoming Hyananta. So Hyananta Namno va iti nunam Gargamunihi. Again, that ish, if you have that, remove the ish and put a visarga, Gargamunihi, because ish is the joining letter for cha. Visarga and cha undana ish nadudhu. So Gargamunihi, Chakre tava Nama Nama. Anga double Nama varudhu. And I try to find out why the double Nama is coming, but maybe my assumption is, because they're naming Krishna, adnala rendu thadava Nama varudhu. So tava Nama Nama Rahasi Vibho. Katamasya Nama Kurve Sahasranamno Hyanantanamno va iti nunam Gargamunihi Chakre tava Nama Nama Rahasi Vibho.
Katamasya Nama Kurve सहस्रनाम्नो ह्यनन्तनाम्नो वा इति नूनं गर्गमुनिः चक्रे तव नाम नाम रहसि विभो कथमस्य नाम कुर्वे सहस्रनाम्नो ह्यनन्तनाम्नो वा इति नूनं गर्गमुनिः चक्रे तव नाम नाम रहसि विभो
कदमस्य नाम कुर्वे सहस्रनाम्नो ह्यनन्दनाम्नो वा इति नूनं गर्गमुनिः चक्रे तव नाम नाम रहसि विभो कदमस्य नाम कुर्वे सहस्रनाम्नो ह्यनन्दनाम्नो वा इति नूनं गर्गमुनिः चक्रे तव नाम नाम रहसि विभो.
Stanza 5. कृषिधातु नकाराभ्यां सत्तानन्दात्मतां किलाभिलपते जगदगकर्षित्वं वा कथय दृशिः कृष्णनाम ते व्यतनोत्. So when he's contemplating and then he decides to name Krishna, so the reason for the word Krishna, there is like a two-line, I'll just say that. Krishir bhuvachaka shabdo Nascha nirvriti-vachakaha. So the word Krishir, there are two meanings of the words Krishir. One of the meanings of the word Krishir is earth. That's why in the North India, Krishi, the farmers, because Krishir refers to earth. So the one who works on that. So Krishir is earth. So on the Krishir Vachaka Shabdo, so you take that first part of the Krishir and the Krish, and then Nascha Nirvriti Vachakaha. The na refers to somebody who brings happiness. So you take that na part of the word of somebody who brings happiness. Thayor Aikyam, the merging or the union of those two things is Param Brahma Krishna Ityabhidhiyate. So the union of these two words, Krish and Na, is one who brings happiness to earth. You join that, that is supreme bliss, Param Brahma, Krishna Ityabhidhiyate. That's why the word Krishna is formed by the merging of these two letters or words. Now, another meaning for Krish also is not just earth, but then existence, like being there, existence, which also means could also be you can see how you can stretch it to be earth as well. And Na still stands for one who brings happiness. So the Krishna could also mean, it could mean one who brings happiness or bliss to earth, or one who brings happiness or bliss to existence, any kind of existence. So that's the meaning of the word Krishna. So that's what he also says here. He says, hey, because this boy's real nature is existential bliss, right? So we'll name him as Krishna, and then he also has a quality where he will remove the sins of everybody. Appdin solittu Gargamuni then Krishna namate Vyatanot gives you the name of Krishna. So Krishi dhatu na kharabhyam. So those are, if you can now those are all individual words. Krishi dhatu na kharabhyam, comma Sattanandatmatam, Sattananda Atmatam, Sattanandatmatam Kila Bhilapate Jagadhaga Karshitvam Va Khataya Drishihi, comma Krishna Nama Te Vyatanot. Krishidhatu Nakarabhyam Sattanandatmatam Kila Bhilapate Jagadagakarshitvam va Kataya Drishihi Krishna namate Vyatanot.
Krishidhatu nakarabhyam sattanandatmatam kila bilapate jagadagakarshitvam va kataya drishihi Krishna namate Vyatanot. Krishidhatu nakarabhyam Sattanandatmatam Kila Bilapate Jagadagakarshi त्वं वा कथयदृशिः कृष्णनाम ते व्यतनोत्
कृषिदादुनकाराभ्यां सत्तानन्दात्मदां किलाभिलभत् जगदः कर्षित्वं वा कथयदृशिः कृष्णनाम ते व्यदनोत् कृषिदादुनकाराभ्यां सत्तानन्दात्मदां किलाभिलभत् जगदः कर्षित्वं वा कथयदृशिः कृष्णनामते वयदनोत्
Vyatanoth.
व्यतनोत्
Okay, so we'll end the class here. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandavabodhatmakamanupamitam कालधेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।